Okay, so today guys, we'll go through a quick product review. I've got a delivery here from Heck, flavour you can swear by. So any of you who are my clients will probably know that I put a lot of Heck products in your diets because things like their chicken sausages are banging, the fat content is very, very low, the calories are very low, it means you can enjoy really nice food and get shredded and get in great shape. Protein content is very high and they're from nutritious sources. So I'm gonna have a quick look, see what I've come through here and discuss what it is, how I'd use it and why. So see, the box is taped up, so I have no idea what's in here. It's like Christmas has come early. Yes! So this is what I was hoping it was going to be, because this is also what's going to be going in client's diet. So I haven't tried them before. So, chicken Italia burgers. So these are chicken burgers. Now, looking at the macronutrients of each of these, so one burger, 20 grams protein, 153 calories, only 5 grams of fat. So that is lean, like really, really lean. So you could have 2 burgers, for example, would be 40 grams protein and around 300 calories. So for me, for a meal, that would be perfect, 1 pack of those. So those are chicken Italia. So we've got a few packs of those for our boys. And there's another one which is simply chicken. Let's have a look at the macros in these. Again, exactly the same. Calories are super low, it's 85% chicken. The rest of it are just spices, bits and pieces added to make the burgers. So again, in terms of like food quality and something that's really nice as a treat you can have in a diet, which would be really low calories, that's a superb go-to. More chicken burgers. And I've got the Heck chicken sage and onion sausages. Now, I haven't tried these before. So these are smaller cocktail sausages, as you will see. Tiny, well, half size. And let's go for the macro breakdown. So 4 of these sausages, 90 calories, 10 grams of protein. So for example, if I was going to try and get 40 grams of protein at a meal, which would be a minimum for someone my size, I would be looking to have 16. So I could have 16 of those sausages and it would be about 350 calories. And 16 sausages for a meal would be pretty banging, to be fair. So that will definitely be a meal the next few days. Next up, we've got spring chicken burgers. That'll be another flavour of chicken. Chicken burgers. This is obviously more designed for having like with Oriental style food. Macro breakdown, again, exactly the same. Even higher in protein, 24 grams protein per burger. So that is the spring chicken burgers. And then last but not least, we have got the zesty chicken burgers, which are per burger 137 calories, even lower, 24 grams of protein. And these are the lowest burger in terms of fat content. So these are only 2 grams of fat, which is actually lower than a normal chicken breast. Is lower than steak mince, which is obviously 5% the leanest you can get, and that would be the zesty chicken breast. So if you're looking to get ultra shredded, the zesty chicken breast burger would be the one I would go through. And that is it for terms of my Heck chicken haul. So I'm going to work through these next few days. We're trialing these out and see which ones work best in terms of for my clients and the diets. I'm particularly intrigued to try the limited edition smaller sausages, which are designed more for Christmas. Chicken sage and onion 20 pack. Just working out, I ideally do that entire pack in a meal, so that's pretty cool. But I would definitely give these all a try. I'd highly recommend these for anyone who are like looking to try and stay lean, but also enjoy nice food and things like you like burgers, sausages. It's a great way to have a sustainable diet, keep in shape, and just be aware of what you're eating. So big shout out to Heck, brilliant company creating like great products, which if you're interested in health and fitness, which I hope you will like, because I watch my channel, then this is a superb option for you. So check out, give it a try. Drop me a comment if you've tried any of these, and if you're any of my clients who are using the Heck chicken sausages, let me know what you think, because I know you guys love them.